In this video, we are going to discuss about Ashwini Mudra. Ashwini Mudra is an ancient mudra that has now been popularized as Keggle exercise. Dr. Keggle was the one who recommended this exercise to people who were suffering from sexual problems or people who are suffering from digestion issues. So this mudra helps alleviate gas, alleviate constipation, alleviate digestion issues, and also sexual problems. So to do this mudra, I cannot show you how to do this mudra. I can explain it to you for obvious reason, because this mudra relates to the pelvic muscles. So you have to contract your pelvic muscles or your anal muscles and try to pull it upwards. Imagine you're pulling that muscle upward. For some people, pelvic muscle might not be that strong, and they can perform specific exercise to improve that pelvic muscles. All you have to do is contract your renal region of your anus and relax. Contract and relax. Contract and relax. Do this 5 times and then contract that renal part, and while you're contracting you have to exhale and then relax that contraction of the renal part and then inhale. Contract, exhale, relax your muscles and inhale. Do this for 25 to 30 times. You can also do it for 75 to 100 times. Try to do it as slowly as possible. Try to hold that renal part as long as possible. For men, if you're doing this will also help you overcome premature ejaculation. So thanks a lot for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.